What's the meaning of basset hound? Basset hound. Basset hound.
Basset hound. Basset hound. The basset hound is a breed of dog that is known for its long ears and short legs. The name basset comes from the French word bas, which means low or short. The basset hound was originally bred in France in the 16th century for hunting small game such as rabbits and hares. The breed's low-slung body and powerful sense of smell make it excellent at tracking scent trails close to the ground. Today, the basset hound is still used for hunting, as well as being a popular family pet due to its friendly and gentle nature. Despite its short legs, the basset hound is a strong and capable dog that loves nothing more than a good walk and spending time with its human companions.